Mammy, me about no me 2 for 3 me 2 for year because boys be seeing wow. Book cry now man because I don't command a girl.
No, come on, girl, baby.
No, I say only girl cry now let me tell you something. I didn't know ban the bear material. What's our ban or brain and the shame? Think about it. Sana mammy no about the detail. Mammy, I shall be brave. Focus on them and be one and seven. Don't focus on them and be one and you. Casa fanboy no de pay, fanboy no de pay. Pebe mo be ye dwumade o be hwew. Ma obenya bema sebi. Obie ne purse mu. That's accidentally. Purse ne dane say ya. That's the case you go for. Can you get? And you come on we ase. You dey open akọ. Ko dwuna san maka kire no. You dey open akọ. Na ko dwuna san maka kire no. You dey open akọ.
Okay, with this.
You dey open akọ. Just take what you want and go.
My boyfriend no one to go before.
Hey, see, Jimmy, for say we no buy when you scan a sign here. When you scan on a hand. Father, na one casacqua desumia so. When you see us can offer to go to Sumia, papa. Not as on a general. Says Sampa, that is on Sumia, not general. Says Sako. Anna, who said, or may we still on times and go boys be seen on one and a couple of Bernardo, but sounds when you be. No, I can't be Jawes, not Wabadam. Nice girl, no, what they go on 10 hours for Shanaco. And you're fine. It's a good time, mess up. Take everything, open up for Bibia. For the back on here. The back on one.
Miss Rubian, the coach and boyfriend will be full.
Whatever. I see as a call. If you pass a go for my saying, I corner or if you know, I mean, I won't pay my our prayer excuse.
Dawaj.
Dama. Good afternoon. That's what I'm saying. That is say. As I mentioned, okay, but when you if it's enough, my family laundry for me, you don't deserve to be washing, okay?
Keep on talking. Nyama ifia on your day. Young man. And then your befia, me hearing your my if you know, but you come around with me.
Oh, I mean, like, she don't deserve so about what she had and I say on farmer laundry for me. I can't wear some and
Hey, Jane.
No, what are you doing here?
What am I doing? Wow! So this time, what's that tantrum?
I'm not
like you told me, say, you see, original gate now. I didn't know
it was him.
You didn't know it was him. And I'm what better me? Young man, let me tell you something.
Baby, you are just embarrassing me. What is that?
Me, I'm backing. Me, tell me,
please, I'm very sorry.
Like, I'm shocking me. On your dog, but you are back.
No, young man, let me tell you something.
Hey, what are you doing?
Don't come closer to me. I swear. When you come closer, I'll kill you. You see the bad side of me.
Please, I'm very sorry. Move
for myself. Move for myself.
Who
say? Yeah, let me tell this one. You see. Okay.
What do you think? Boss, please, I'm very sorry, okay?
We shall say this. What I'm doing, I'm saying, Bema.
What is this?
Me, what kind of... You told me, say, You are not talking. You told me say you are not talking with this guy.
Just say only security no can saro.
It's okay.
Hey, ala so mo chiro.
Let me tell you something.
Omo kasa
Let me
sa.
tell you something.
Yeah, chum now so upie.
But only
Yeah,
museum.
the who see na upie.
Only museum.
Museum, yeah.
Atade se me bad luck. Me Saturday mo bi hold me ta. Je come on museum.
From come
No
museum.
mo tro hon bad luck.
What kind of embarrassment is that? Who does that? Who does that? You don't have money. Oh, if you can't go on now, it's out of you show bottom the pier, but the cut children. So can me and and then cause some so. And then cause some obedi. So my guy ni buofu. Makado sa guy ni me penana. Makado sa me peno. Cause say me na on me di we fie. My team rent a team. Say say nche dan rent ba be. E wa na abetua. And then cause some so no.
Chin. And not the abosika mini binti. A crown at Tafrema no cramming a day. Oh, yeah, dear Nanya Najame Babeka. You are here telling me this. Send a city. Ah, Adolfo, sir. Jane, why are you doing this to me, Jane?
What am I doing? What the only man? There be an out me so good, me so bad luck. Can I compare you my name here?
Balovente. Guys.
Na man it say.
Nana, come here.
Sha na horo we ni ma.
How many times am I want to cut it? How many times am I want to cut it? How many times? Hey, never fool. Me no don't know from what. Makato. How would you be virus? Virus in the mail.
What's wrong with you?
Let me what this. Say the marriage you are just. Let me deal with this guy. Hey. Who has got me? Who has got me?
Let me talk to you. I'm done with you. Go inside and pack your things. You are leaving this house today, right now. Move, go and pack your things and leave this house.
I'm again.
I didn't cause some so no. Maybe in June time, finish out of manager so I said it.
I'm again. Akasa.
Joshua, you are leaving this house now.
What pros am again? Akasa.
I'm done with you. Go inside, pack your things. You are leaving this house today.
All right, Kafra. Jane, so because of him, you are done with me.
Yes, I'm done with you. You are leaving this house today.
What pros Bema.
Go and pack your things and leave my house.
I'll go.
Me tell you, anyone else have it, mommy. Virus, like I'm very sorry. Virus, see, I'm going to pack his things. He's leaving my house today. I'm coming. Joshua, pack your things.
Me bo mani chise no say ka o mia na no kakra because skani don't mean skani mpre. Ana ma ya say why ya say wanya nisu no.
Say the Messi ni girl na da no we nya boy ni kran ka menti ase.
Wa mani skasa na sa da ani akonde dem.
Say me ni ko hotel. Men in the dynamic $2 going so.
I'm a confusion.
Some can say me go.
Kai, confusion, you know. I'm a confusion.
Man can say me go.
Ogun.
Some me go.
Ogun.
Kohese o packing in my nampa.
How far was you had here? I say, can I just point you out?
Men na dapa. Oh.
Hey, confusion, man. You can't go as one man.
Bajiska.
And to come here to academy to Megye. But now, we are tough. Hey, that means Mrs. San.
Koshe so mo. Koshe so o packing in my
Hey, you be going to
and they party day, me good relationship there, your party day.
Oh, relationship, yep. Ah, my uncle. Hey, relationship, good.
Oh, Jane, so Jane.
Leave my house.
Jane.
Joshua, leave.
Jane, it's me, Stan. Jane.
Joshua, leave my house. You are leaving my house right now.
Jane.
Joshua, leave my house.
Jane, let me tell you something. Listen.
Joshua, leave my house.
Listen.
What?
I appreciate everything you have done for me.
It's okay. Leave.
It has rained. Listen to me. It has rained. And the Shebata is laughing at the salt. Definitely the sun will shine.
I don't care. Wherever. Leave my house. Stupid guy. Remember to you, Johnny Mountain, and so baby, everything was some trend. Hey, Joshua, wait. Your tower is here. Leave my house. Stupid guy. Who's Tifiati now? Did you finya? Who do some you need and a dear granny to so be an near fra? Sikan me free here. Cause never in your life coming on my phone again.
I grow on an issue. I say David Doctor, I grow on an issue too much. But bomb.
Oh, Sissy, can you courage you had here?
What do you say? We come our same shirt to me. Yeah, make us a monk was a museum.
Aye.
Now, as I said, this bruiser, I bought it for $400
a day,
which is 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Let me have your fast like I said from Qua. I'm
It may be small money.
Madam, what?
$400 shirt.
I see ya. Who bus can you soon? Who bus can you soon?
No, cross I am over.
Man,
come here. You see, I know one Malone ancestor, I run the room. See, let me tell you something. We are saying, fanboy, and you're handsome. Fine boy, your face is fine, but you don't have money.
Yes.
But handsome, my hand has some.
Yes.
That is why I call it handsome. Where is my purse?
Please, your purse is here.
Like I was saying, you are a fine boy.
Yes.
Fine face, handsome.
Handsome.
No pimple, just dimple. Because you are a fine boy. But me, I'm handsome. My hand has some. Handsome. I mean, handsome. My hand is full of some. That's why I call me handsome. Okay.
Champagne.
My major flashback across my brabum.
Okay, your flashback, please.
My dear, here for my 15 girls.
Wow.
Okay, one. 16. Wow. I'm more money nyansa no. I'm more fat them there. I'm no more pesca. I'm so young girls. I mean girls. But say unim nyansa sana. Okwana di here kwaku. Oh. Obedi awre ho sana wo. Oh. But if you are wiser. Oh. You go and work hard and make money like me.
What for?
I mean, you make money.
What for?
Money like me.
What for?
But if you are not wise,
please,
you will die poor.
And today no the kwasa mado.
Bye.
But remember, don't forget. Please work hard and
money.
pray hard. Hey!